Good day everyone, I am Dexulu A. Humawid, a grade 10 diligent student. For today, I am going to talk about the feedback mechanisms involved in regulating the processes in the female reproductive system. The menstrual cycle is regulated by the feedback mechanisms involving hormones that control the timing of ovulation and menstruation. These mechanisms include both positive and negative feedback loops between the ovaries, uterus, and the brain, particularly from the hypothalamus and pituitary gland. Here's how it works. First, the follicular phase, day 1 to 14. FSH, a follicle stimulating hormone, stimulates the ovaries to mature several follicles, each containing an egg. As the follicle mature, they release estrogen. This estrogen feedbacks to the hypothalamus and pituitary gland, which in turn lowers FSH production, negative feedback. Increased estrogen levels trigger a positive feedback on the pituitary to release a surge of LH or luteinizing hormone, which leads to the ovulation, the release of an egg from the ovary. 2. Ovulation, around day 14. The LH surge caused by positive feedback triggers ovulation, where the egg is released from the mature follicle. After ovulation, the rupture follicle turns into the corpus luteum, which secretes progestogen and some estrogen. 3. Luteal phase, on day 15 to 28. Progesterone from the corpus luteum helps maintain the uterine lining for potential pregnancy. Rising level from progestogen and estrogen create negative feedback to the hypothalamus and pituitary, reducing FSH and LH production. If pregnancy does not occur, the corpus luteum breaks down, leading to a drop in progestogen and estrogen. This drop triggers the hypothalamus to increase FSH and LH, starting the next cycle. 4. The menstruation, day 1 of the next cycle. If no pregnancy occurs, the drop in progestogen and estrogen cause the uterine lining to shed, resulting in menstruation. This marks the start of a new menstrual cycle. Negative feedback. High levels of estrogen and progestogen inhibit the release of FSH and LH to prevent overstimulation of the ovaries. The positive feedback is high levels of the estrogen from the maturing follicle lead to an LH surge that triggers ovulation. This feedback mechanism ensures that the menstrual cycle proceeds in an orderly way, with hormones carefully controlling ovulation and menstruation. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you like this video. Give us